Sup guys, Jana here today. I got another one for you, and it's me sweet. So what you're gonna do is just get your mouth ready, wash it and everything. Wash it out pretty good, obviously. Like just wash it out, wash tonsils and everything. And then you're just gonna need to close your mouth, but not just to keep it going, but you're just gonna like this, hold your mouth, and then